namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing amazing. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. Or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. It means a lot to me. Then in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. So today's pick a card reading is going to be your month of July, how your month of July will be. And remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. So first I'm going to do the overall energy of the month, and then I'll talk about your love life, and then your career, and then some spiritual messages. Okay, so so I have three groups over here. So for pile number 1, lapis lazuli. For pile number 2, it's amethyst. And for pile number 3, it's selenite. So close your eyes, relax, and connect with the pile that calls to you intuitively. And the timestamps will be in the description box. If you want more time, go ahead and pause the video and take your time, and then select a pile that calls to you. So I'm going to start with group number 1. Number 1, if you choose this lapis lazuli, let's see how your July month will be, July 2021. So first I'm gonna speak about the general energies for the month of July, then love, then career, and some spiritual message. Okay, so the overall energy for you guys is sacred vision. Choose to forgive in order to heal. See the light in all. Remember that love has no boundaries. And the thinking woman. Okay, we have this lapis lazuli. I feel like Mercury energy for you guys. A lot of communication is happening in the month of July 2021. Maybe a lot of people will be messaging you. For some of you, I even feel like some people will be messaging you for like your guidance, or maybe you will be messaging someone so you can get some guidance from other people. A lot of communication. And remember, you're very creative and very intelligent people. Okay, like a lot of with this butterfly, a lot of transformation is going to happen. Knowledge is going to be your power in the month of July. You will be reading a lot of books. Maybe for some of you, you will be gaining a lot of knowledge in the month of July. A lot of clarity through some books. You will get a lot of clarity in your life. You will be seeing a lot of light through your books. Maybe for some of you, you will read a book, and this book will change your life. That is what I am feeling for some of you. Maybe you will with this thinking woman, I even feel like that maybe you will watch a YouTube video, and this video will change your life. This video might change your thinking, and because of this video you might make certain changes in your life. That is also, I feel like a teacher, a teacher can come in specific ways. Like a book can be your teacher, like a YouTube video can be your teacher. Maybe for some of you, a teacher might come and give you some guidance, and because of that guidance, things will change for you guys. Okay, for some of you, if you're confused what path you need to take, like if you're very confused in your career or something like that, someone will give you guidance, or a video will change it, and you will know what you want to do. So there is like a lot of clarity coming for you guys, a lot of communication happening. Maybe for some of you will feel like what you need to do. Maybe for some of you will see a lot of dreams. Maybe for some of you will have a dream, and because of that dream you will get a lot of clarity. I'm feeling like that also. Okay, but a book will change your life. Maybe for some of you, that is also, I feel like you will read this book and it will change everything. Like maybe for some of you, it's like you will see a video, and this video will be talking about like this vegetarian or vegan to become vegan, and you will be taking this drastic step of becoming vegans. Like sometimes a book can change your life, a video can change your life, right? So that is what happening in a good way. Okay, you will be it's going to be in a good way, not in a bad way. Okay, and this thing is going to transform you. This book will change your energy. This book will change your vibration. This teacher will change your vibration. You will have a clear picture. So the resentments you are holding on, you are going to let go of. Your vision, your perception about life, that is going to shift a little bit in the month of July. So for some of you, if you're single, you have like, I want this kind of person. If you're a male, you will be like, I want this person with long hair, blue eyes, or whatever. But you're changing that. Like you are understanding that beauty doesn't matter. Okay, for some of you, changing that. Maybe you will meet a person who is not according to your according to, we have dream that our person should look like this, look like that. You're changing that also, I feel, for many of you. For some of you, you're changing your style. You're not going to go with this trend and all. You're making your own style, something like that. It's like more you're focusing on yourself rather than on the outside. You're focusing on your inside. Yeah, I'm feeling with this book, something with this book. So if you're called to read a book, go ahead and do that. If YouTube videos, sometimes YouTube recommends video, and if a video is getting recommended like 1,000 times, and if you're ignoring that, maybe it's time to watch that video. Maybe there is a message for you guys. Yeah, spirit can work in different ways, right? So maybe there is an Instagram post you will see that can change your thinking. Sometimes a small thing can change our life, and that is what is coming for you in the month of July. A small thing, maybe for some of you it can be a small sentence that can change your perception about life. Something is going to definitely shift for you guys. Your vibration is going to shift, your energy is going to shift in the month of July. Maybe for some of you, someone will motivate and you will start doing the things you are passionate about. Okay, yeah, maybe you have stopped doing certain things that you were passionate, and now again you will start doing it, right? Maybe for some of you, you have lost motivation for exercise. Maybe you will start doing that. You will watch exercise videos and you will start doing exercise. Yeah, definitely there is, you have stopped something, you're going to start it again. For some of you, it's your learning. Some of you have read a book, and maybe you will be applying that book into your life. Sometimes we read a lot of books, but we don't apply, like a lot of self-help books. Maybe you have read a lot of self-help books, but you don't apply it in your life. Maybe now it's time for you to apply that. Look, we have butterfly. A lot of transformation is going to happen. I'm seeing maybe for some of you, you have been seeing orange butterflies or green butterflies. Okay, if you see these butterflies, it's like your ancestors, your spirit guides are near you. They are telling you to be to trust in yourself, okay, to believe in yourself. Okay, that is what I feel. And believe in your own intellect. Okay, so you are intelligent. Sometimes people might have told you that you are not intelligent. It's sometimes people say us, like, if you are doing good in maths, then only you're intelligent. No, it's like emotional intelligence is also important, right, in your life. So you have this observation skills, I feel, for many of you. For some of you, I even feel like you are interested in psychological things and all, maybe crime and all. If you're interested, maybe you like to, I don't know why I'm getting this message, but maybe you like to observe people, like their actions, what are they thinking. You're good at it. Okay, so maybe if you're into this psychology thing, maybe if you want to become a therapist, go for it. Okay, you will be good at it. That is a very specific message, guys. And again, we have 47 number, and it is like 11 number. 11 number is a master number. It's about justice, getting your justice. Maybe for some of you, your karma is going to be very balanced. Karmic ending of a karmic situation, karmic cycle. Yeah, healing. Look, we have this healing, very clear about your life, what you need to do next. Yeah, this book or something, someone will say something and you will be very clear on what you need to do next. If you're confused right now, there is clarity coming for you, Mountain. A lot of clarity, a lot of love with this roses also. Maybe for some of you, you might receive roses or lilies or something like that. A lot of flowers you will receive and you'll be very happy. Okay, so let's see next cards for you guys for the love. We have King of Wands, and we have calling in your soulmate. Okay, so if you're doing some visualizations or if you're manifesting a soulmate, yeah, definitely that is going to happen for you guys. With this King of Wands, this person can be a fire sign. Maybe this person can be your mentor also, right? For some of you, it's like soulmate can be friend, it can be a platonic relationship also, isn't it? So I feel like this person can be your mentor. He will guide you. Yeah, he or she, it doesn't matter. Then the gender doesn't matter here. So this person can guide you. Maybe they will give you guidance, and you will have a good relationship with this person. And this person with this King of Wands, I'm getting this person knows what they're doing. They have a lot of leadership qualities. Okay, so yeah, this person can lead you. I'm getting that energy here. Someone is coming your way. you will have a good connection with this person. This person can be a soulmate. Your energies will be like, you will have fun together. Okay, for some of you this can definitely be a love relationship, a new person. Fire sign, Leo, Sag, Aries. I'm getting Aries more here, Aries and Leo. So yeah, in some way this person will take you out of a situation that is toxic. Yeah, with this lizard, that is what I feel like, because lizard cut their tail, isn't it, to get out of a situation. So that is what I feel like. This person will help you. This person will give you some guidance that will take you out of a toxic environment, or maybe it's your own behavior that is stopping your success. And this person will give you a clear picture. Some clarity is definitely going to come. And for some of you, this person might be your lover. In the future, this person will be a lover, or maybe you will have a love relationship. Maybe you'll get into the relationship, and this person will help you in your career, in your, progress. I feel like you will be able to, this person will help you in your progress. What is okay? Yeah, that is what I felt. Okay. Yeah, so if you're visualizing, if you're doing that manifestation, so this is a confirmation for some of you. If you're doing that, this person is coming. Okay, definitely. And when you will meet this person, you will know it in your gut that this is the one. And for others, it can be a teacher, friend. Okay, but definitely this person will take you from to a better place. And through this person you will be able to progress in your life. Okay, then we have career, we have justice. Okay, signing new documents or something like that. Gratitude, wow. Yeah, you will be very grateful for a new opportunity. A new opportunity is going to be presented to you guys. Maybe for some of you, like signing contracts, yeah, doing that paperwork or something like that. Maybe getting a new opportunity, new job, signing that contract. That is quite possible, and you will be very grateful for this opportunity. For some of you, maybe you will be collaborating with someone. Yeah, maybe, and you will be signing some documents, something like that. But definitely there is going to be justice. So if you have been working hard on something, you will get the justice. Maybe your paper, if you look with this thinking woman, maybe yeah, if you want to go abroad for your education, that is also quite possible. Some paperwork will be done, and you will be very grateful for that. Okay, or maybe this person will help you, a fire sign person will help you with this also. Yeah, and yeah, you'll be very grateful for this person. Yeah, for the work they did. So for some of you, it's also a message that you need to be more grateful for all the things you have in your life. Sometimes we don't see the blessings that we have already achieved in our life. We don't see the people. Yeah, sometimes we take people for granted. Don't do that. Give the gratitude to the divine, to the people around you who are helping you. Yeah, and yes, things are going to definitely get balanced with this justice card. Karma, yeah, I told you a cycle is ending. Yeah, I'm getting this, a cycle is ending for you guys. There is a fresh start for you guys, definitely. For some of you, maybe you were applying for a job, you were not getting it, but finally you will receive that call. And yeah, for some of you, because of you, some pending paperwork will be done, and because of that you'll be able to move forward. Maybe for some of you haven't gotten your documents or something, like you will be getting that documents, is because of that you will be able to move forward. Or maybe your visa or something is there, it's pending or something, because of we have some restrictions right now. Maybe that will be resolved in the month of July, and getting this fire sign might help you with that also. Or maybe it's yeah, it's a new person. I feel like that it's a friend, like you will have a good relationship with this person. You will be very grateful for that. Like, look, they are holding hands, like you are safe. I feel like that you're safe. They're telling you're safe. I feel like this person may have some Sometimes this person might know different people, and because of that you will be able to do things very quickly, something like that. Yeah. Okay, let's see. The spiritual message is 22 number. Your angels are around you, right? They're protecting you, they're guiding you. And we have Dhumavati here for you guys with this 22 number. Yeah. Endings, major endings are happening. You're getting out of a situation that is not working for you guys. Maybe for some of you, you will quit a job and get into a new job that will be a better paying job for you guys. Maybe this person will help you with that. For some of you, there is a relationship happening that will give you justice. Like, yeah, I told you, this person will take you from a toxic relationship or a toxic environment. Yeah. Or maybe I feel like someone will help you, or maybe this person will say something to you, and because of that you will take a step forward in your life. Sometimes we need that one advice. I feel like this is the person who will give you that advice. And yeah, all you need to have is unshakable trust right now, okay? That believe, claim this message if it's resonating, okay, for you guys, because have that faith, have that trust, because things are going to change for you guys. You will have a clear vision right now. Things are going to be very balanced. You're healing, you're forgiving, so you need to forgive yourself more. I feel like that is also important. For some of you, you are like, oh, because of my decision I didn't succeed, or something like that. Because of your past decisions you're regretting something, oh, why I did that, and because of that my life has. Don't do that. Forgive yourself, move forward. Things have happened. Now you cannot change your past. Now it's time to be in the present moment and move forward. Trust in your own creativity, trust in your own ability. Sometimes there will be like fire, sometimes things have to go. Sometimes there have to be there is a need for endings, so you can start new, right? So it's okay, because this message is saying that you have the fire inside of you, you have the passion, and you will get successful at it. Okay, don't worry, there is justice coming for you guys in your education. Maybe for some of you, that because of your documents there is so much problems that you're not getting the visa or something like that. It will happen, you will get it. Okay, so have that unshakable trust in the divine, in your own creativity, and move forward. Just right now, all you need to have is trust yourself, trust divine, and give gratitude. For some of you, this is important here, to give gratitude to the divine, to see all the blessings that you have right now in your life. Sometimes it's very difficult to, when we are in this situation where things are not working the way we want, we don't see the blessings that we have. But here your message is to see all the small blessings that you have, right? Okay, if you can, if you have a journal, or if you have a diary, just write the gratitude. It will be very good for you guys. Okay, yeah, that's all I have for my group number 1 people. Bye bye, take care. Number 2, if you chose this amethyst crystal. So what I'm going to do today for the month of July, your July prediction 2021 reading. So first I'm going to take 2 cards for your general energy, general how July will be, then for love, then for your career, finances and study, and then a spiritual message for you guys. Okay, so we have your general energy here. So overall general energy for the month of July. So yeah, look at the moon energy. So moon energy is going to be very important for you guys. Different phases of moons will be very important. So whenever you feel something, take a look on the phases of moon. So you will be affected by different moon phases. So if it's possible, if you can do some rituals at the time of full moons and new moon, go and do it. Okay, that will be very good. So I feel like you need to release something. You need to release your past, or maybe for some of you a situation that you need to release, or some person, or something you need to release right now in your life. So just do some releasing rituals. Maybe light a candle, pray to your spirit guides. Yeah, that will be very good for you guys. And these for you guys, moon cycles will be very important time. And at this time you can manifest your desires, do that manifestation rituals, do scripting, use law of attraction, say positive affirmations. Okay, so I feel like in the month of July, if you will say if you will be in this positive attitude, I feel a lot of good things will come to you. Okay, yeah, there is a connection. You're making a connection with the universe in the month of July, so you will feel very connected with the universe in the month of July, because you will be receiving a lot of signs. Look, we have the amethyst crystal. Your intuition will be very strong. Your crown chakra is opening up, and we have raven here. Ravens are like, they give messages from spirit, so you will be receiving a lot of messages from spirit. Look, we have illusions are revealed and released, right? So what is not clear, you will be getting a very clear picture. All your confusions will be gone, right? So you will have a clarity. You will be very clear about what you need to do in your life, who you want to be with, where you want to be. So you will be very clear about all the things. So in your career, if you're confused right now in the month of July, I see you will be very clear on what path you need to take. In love life also, you will be very clear where you want, who you want, okay, what you want to do. If you want to be single, you will be single. If you want to get into a relationship, you will be getting into a relationship. You will be very clear about what you want, okay, because you are very intuitive. July month, your intuition is on point. Trust your intuition. That is also, I feel like. So for many of you, you are ending a cycle. A painful cycle is coming to an end. For some of you, it's like you're finally letting go of a relationship. Maybe you have let go of this person for so long, but at the same time, sometimes what happens, we keep it to our heart, we suppress our emotions, we don't release it completely. So what is happening for you guys in the July month, I feel like you're completely releasing this person or this situation. Or maybe for some of you, I even feel like someone has insulted you in the past. You had kept it in your heart. You're finally releasing that. You're finally forgiving them, and you're forgiving yourself, and you're moving forward. So yeah, past resentments, it's going to be very, you will be releasing a lot of stuff in the month of July, I feel like, and because of that, you will feel very balanced. Okay, so yeah, I feel like you have, in the past, you were doing a lot of work for other people. Your yin energy was not balanced. What I see is like in the month of July, you will be balanced. You will be ready to receive messages. That is what I feel like. So yeah, in the past, you used to ignore your intuition, but in the month of July, you will be trusting your intuition. There is a lot of balance. You will be feeling very balanced from inside. Okay, even though outside things might be chaotic, you will feel very balanced inside. That is what I feel for you guys. The overall month, you will be feeling like that only. You will be connected with spirit. When we are connected with spirit, we don't take too much of stress. We have enough peace, and that is what I feel for you guys. You will be believing in yourself. You will be believing in yourself. That is what I feel. You will be believing in yourself. You will be taking care of yourself, and you will be letting go of the people who are trying to insult you or trying to put, sometimes people come and make us feel like that we are guilty of doing that and this. We are guilty. Sometimes when we take care of ourselves, people make us feel like that's wrong. And now what is happening, in the past you used to take that energy. Now you're like, no, I know what I'm doing. I know who I am, and I'm going to do this. You're going to be very strong because you are connected with spirit, and you know intuitively, and you are understanding that they don't know about you. Sometimes other people don't know what we are, who we are. You know who you are, right? So no one can question that. So you're going to be very peaceful in the month of July. You're not going to take any people's energy. Lot of inner peace, lot of calmness. I feel like you will be meditating also. If you're not, meditate, ground your energy, because that will help you in the month of July. And of course, don't forget the full moon and new moon. Okay, manifest at that time. Have a spiritual bath. If you can do some like relaxing things, like playing music, dancing, doing your hobbies at this time, it will be very good for you guys at the time of relaxation. I feel like you will be relaxing a lot. You will be taking some time off. Okay, for some of you, I even feel like that you will be taking some time off from your work, and you will be relaxing because you have been working, you have been giving. Sometimes we give so much that our cup becomes empty, and when our cups become empty, then we are not able to give anything. So now you are understanding that you have to keep your cup little bit, half full at least. So you're doing that. You're taking care of yourself. You're recharging. you're meditating. For some of you, I even feel like you might get into this solitude energy where you'll be spending some quality time with yourself. Okay, so yeah, like a lot of balance definitely is there. And when we reduce, we get 48. It's like 12, so it reduces to 3 number. 3 number is also about growth. You're growing as a person, you're understanding, you're becoming aware. Okay, so the things, sometimes we don't have that much knowledge. In the past you didn't have that much knowledge, now you have a lot of knowledge, so you know how to manage things, right? If sometimes things doesn't go as we plan, and when it doesn't go, you don't stress. You're like, okay, we can do, we will have a different way. You're going to think like that, you're going to think differently, you're changing a lot, and there's a lot of balance here for you guys. So let's see the love part. Yeah, 2 of wands and release your ex. So for some of you, it's like you are like, no, I don't want to stay in this place, I'm going to release this person completely. For some of you, I feel like you have, like, physically you have parted ways for many years maybe, but inside of you, you were not able to release this person completely, but finally you are going to release this person completely. Sometimes even though we part ways, we will have that resentment, but for you guys, in the month of July, there will be no resentment. You will not feel angry if someone mentions their name. You will be like, you're out of that. Yeah, that is what you'll be very free from this person. You will not take nothing will trigger you. Sometimes what happens is, when we part ways, and if someone talks about this person, we get triggered, we get angry, we get, because of the resentments we hold. Finally, you're releasing all the resentments. So for some of you, it can be a person, for others it can be a love situation, it can be like someone cheated on you, or maybe because of your parents you had certain resentment. So it's like you're completely letting go of your past, you're becoming a new person. You don't have, like, you are freeing yourself from all the resentments, from all the anger you have. You're completely letting go of this person, this situation. Maybe it's about you, that something, like, you're letting go of all the things that is stopping you from your growth, and now you're ready to go forward. Okay, that is the thing. I feel like you're letting go of a lot of things. So maybe for some of you, July will be a month of understanding yourself, right? July will be a month of, like, understanding what you want from life. You will be focusing on yourself, you will be doing self-care, you will be focusing on your career more. And yeah, you're forgiving a lot of people. You're forgiving yourself, you're forgiving a lot of people, you're moving forward. And yes, I feel like after July, a lot of blessings will come to you guys, because you are finally letting go of something that was holding your success. Sometimes because of our resentment, we don't succeed in our life. So finally, I feel like slowly you will attain all the success that you want. Maybe because you didn't let go of this person completely. Other relationship don't work like that. Sometimes we get into new relationship also, it will also not work, because we have resentments of that person. So maybe your relationships didn't work, but finally now what I feel like, you're completely letting go. And yeah, I feel in the coming months you will meet someone new. You'll be ready to date, and I feel like you have ended this chapter. Now this will not come in your life, and I feel you will have a smooth relationship in the coming months. Okay, yeah, there is a lot of letting go of things that is not serving you. Okay, so let's see for your career. Yeah, look, we have 6 of Pentacles, and we have growth. I told you something. Yeah, you're learning, you're growing. So sometimes it's very emotional. Sometimes when we grow, it's a little bit difficult. But we have 6 of Pentacles again. It's about balance. So yeah, your career, for some of you, if you have been having problems related to money, I feel like that you will be receiving some sort of money, and this money will help you to grow. Maybe for some of you, with this money you will be able to buy your books, or maybe you will be able to pay your tuition fees, something like that. Or for some of you, you wanted certain things, you will be able to buy it, or maybe that will help you. This money will help you. and for some of you, you will have enough, so you will be able to give it to some people also. Okay, you will make a lot of money. For some of you, I even feel like you will be making a lot of money in the month of July if you're doing whatever field you are in. Maybe for some of you will receive some extra cash. Okay, that is one thing I see. Again, we have this Angel of Balance and we have Six of Pentacles, lot of balance, and we have 5 and 6. 5 is all about action. After action, after challenges comes harmony, right? I feel for you guys, this love and career is also related. For some of you, with this love also, you are releasing all the resentments regarding, for some of you, this thing might have stopped you from moving forward in your career also, but finally you are breaking that pattern. Okay, and you are moving forward in your career, in your area of study also, you're growing. Okay, maybe for some of you, I even feel like you're building a foundation that is going to be very strong. For some of you, maybe you have started to post Instagram photos or something like that. It is going to grow, but there is a lot of balance. You will be okay with how, sometimes we are not okay with it, with how things are moving, but I feel in July month you will be very okay with it. You will be very patient also, and you know that things take time. You will be in this present moment. And again, we have this moon here. Moon energy is going to be very beneficial for you guys. So I even feel like that if you have been manifesting something, I feel like that is also coming your way. So for some of you, if you are manifesting money, that is coming. For some of you, it's like people are going to support you for your work. Maybe you're freelancers or something. Maybe you will receive a lot of opportunities, a lot of work. Through that, you will be able to make money. If you are studying, you will have support from your friends. Your friends will help you with your studies, or maybe a mentor will help you with your studies. That is also, I feel like. But definitely there is a lot of growth happening for you guys. A lot of personal growth also. With this look, you're growing. You're becoming more aware. Okay, you're going to be very aware of the moon phases also. Okay, yeah. There is a lot of personal growth for you guys. Okay, so yeah, expect a lot of growth. Financially, little improvement, definitely. Maybe for some of you, you will be offered a job also. That will give you more pay. Okay, so yeah, because you are releasing the things from past, so there is more blessings are coming your way. Okay, yeah, Sri Bala. Okay, for some of you, I feel like you're going to do something very, very creative, and maybe your family, friends might oppose you, but believe in yourself, because the validation will come later. Okay, so yeah. So for some of you, this is a message. I feel like maybe your parents are not supporting you. Maybe you want to do a creative thing. Maybe right now your parents or friends are like, oh, you don't do this, this will not work out. For some of you, I feel like that your parents are not supporting you right now. So it's like with this card, I feel like Karima, your spirit guides, your angels wants you to know that keep on believing in your path. You're growing. So yeah, there is going to be a lot of support coming your way. There is going to be validation coming your way. Recognition is coming your way. You will get recognized for the work you're doing. So believe in yourself, trust in yourself. Right now people are not supporting you. Maybe your parents, family is not supporting you. They don't know how far you will go. They're like, what are you doing? This creative thing will not give you anything. Maybe for some of you, you are getting into the spiritual business or something like that, and people are like, what you will never get money through this. Or for some of you, it's like you're doing this art or something, and people are saying your art is not good. Sometimes people do that. People discourage us. So don't get discouraged with this card. With this, your spiritual message is that don't get discouraged. Believe in yourself. The validation will come later. All you need to do is trust your path, keep moving forward, because you're growing, and there will be support from other people. You will get the finances. You will be able to pay your bills and all. So you don't have to worry. Everything is going to be balanced in the month of July. Look, we have two number is also about balance, partnership, collaborations. I feel like you'll be collaborating with someone. Maybe for some of you, you might get into a business partnership also, and this partnership will be very, very balanced. So just believe in yourself. There is support coming for you guys. Your spirit guides, angels are supporting you, and yes, you're releasing a lot of stuff, and that this thing will change your life. When we release things from our past, our life change. And this is what I feel for you guys. You're going to release a lot of things, lot of emotions, lot of suppressed emotions. Now it's time for growth, now it's time for balance. And don't be caught up in this time, oh, by this time I have to complete this, by this age I have to complete this. Don't do that. Believe in the power of now. Be in the now moment. Yeah, I know it's difficult to be in the present moment, but I feel like for you guys it's time to be in the present moment. And I'm sure that you will be able to overcome all your obstacles also, all your challenges, okay? Because your spirit guides are there. If you feel like no one is going to support you, your spirit guides, your angels are there to support you, because you're getting a lot of spiritual messages. You're getting a lot of messages from your spirits, okay? I feel like they're around you, they're protecting you, okay? So with this amethyst and this raven, you're getting a lot of messages. So trust your intuition, keep on moving forward, believe in yourself, okay? First we need self-validation, other validation will come again, come later, okay? So that's it for group number 2. Bye-bye, take care. Hello group number 3. If you chose this selenite crystal, let's see what is your message. So first I will be seeing the general energy for the month of July 2021, then love, then career, and then some spiritual message, okay? So let's see, your general energy is divine healing, and look, rest and rejuvenation. You're connecting with your heart center. That is what I feel for the month of July. You're meditating. So I feel like, yeah, for some of you it's like you will be taking a break, right? Going on a vacation, retreat. Yeah, maybe you will go to a place where there is a lot of birds, where you're connected with nature, meditating, grounding your energy, feeling very relaxed. Or you will be staying with the people who you love. Yeah, a lot of healing is happening for you guys. Look at the heart chakra. Heart chakra is going to be very important for you guys. Yeah, you're going to open up your heart center. A lot of love, forgiving. Yeah, for some of you it's like you're connecting with your higher self. There is a connection you're going to make with the higher self. You're taking breaks, you're relaxing, you're taking, maybe for some of you will be doing this deep breathing meditations or something like that. Yeah, I'm feeling like you will be taking extra care of yourself. You'll be taking care of your health, you'll be taking care of your heart, you will be setting boundaries. Yeah, so if you are with people who you don't vibe with, you will be setting a boundary. You will be protecting yourself. You will be very protective of yourself, I feel like. Yeah, you are not going to take other people, sometimes people put something, they say something and we feel bad about it. You are not going to take any of it, okay? For some of you, you are healing. For some of you, your health is healing through meditation. Yeah, I feel like your stress, you're letting go of your stress through meditation is yeah, I feel for many of you meditation is going to be like a routine, like a morning routine or an evening routine. For some of you, you're taking your meditation very seriously. Yeah, or maybe you will have certain rituals. You will be praying to divine. Yeah, that is what I feel like. You will be taking your spirituality very seriously. You will be connecting with your heart center. For some of you, health is going to improve. Yeah, and for others, I even feel like that you are the healers. You will be healing other people. You will be helping other people to meditate, or through your words, through your actions, people will feel very good about them. You will be motivating other people. You will become an inspiration to other people. And for others, I even feel like that you're going to receive a lot of messages while you're meditating, okay? Some creative ideas you will get. So take note of that creative ideas. If you're in a creative field, definitely take that idea and work on it. Even if you're not in a creative field, creative solutions will help your life, help you and make your life more easy, okay? So yeah, if you feel like you need to have your own space, take that space. Okay, if you feel like you want 1 hour a day by yourself, just go and take it. Don't feel guilty for that in the month of July. So maybe you, you if you want to go on to a vacation, go, recharge, take your time. You will feel very good, and you will have all the, sometimes when we recharge, when we relax, we get a lot of ideas, and then you will have the energy to work. Okay, so yeah, this July month is going to be a very relaxing month. You will not be stressing so much, you will be healing. I feel you have healed a lot, and you will be healing the, I feel like for some of you, I feel like you are healing your childhood things. Maybe for some of you, yeah, the things that we don't know, that are in our subconscious mind. Yeah, so I feel like you're going to heal that also. Like complete healing is happening for you guys at this time. And trust your sensitivity. Honor your sensitivity. I feel like you take other people's energy, so it's important. Protect yourself. Do this white light meditation or green light meditation. That will be very helpful for you guys. Okay, don't yeah, I feel like that you need to do that. White light meditation, green light meditation. Yeah, look, we have this white light over here and the green. So your heart chakra, I feel your crown chakra is going to expand, so you're going to receive a lot of messages. We have this blue color also, so your throat chakra is also going to be active. I feel like you'll be speaking your truth, you'll be taking stand for yourself. There are days when we have to keep quiet, and there are days when we have to speak up for ourselves. So think before you speak. Okay, sometimes when we don't have to speak, we speak, and when we have to speak, we don't speak, right? So yeah, trust your intuition in that case. Okay, so yeah, a lot of healing. And green color is also about abundance, right? Abundance, prosperity. I feel like that is also happening for you guys. Money wise also, there will be good news. Okay, yeah, for some of you, you are letting go of your limited beliefs about money, so for some of you, maybe there is this poverty mindset. You're letting go of that. Okay, through meditation, maybe you're chanting mantras, or you are like hearing a lot of positive affirmations. Maybe you're hearing this money affirmations and all, and that all will work for you guys. Okay, again we have 10 number, right, and 1 number. So new beginning, new start, completion of a cycle, healing. Maybe for some of you, you were in between the bridge. Now finally you're crossing the bridge. Okay, you're finally, for some of you, it's like healing is a process, I know, but definitely I see there is a completion. A cycle is completed. You will be feeling very happy. For some of you, a victory. I feel like a news of victory will come for you guys, like a success. You will achieve some sort of success, and you will be very happy. So celebrate each success. Okay, small wins. Celebrate small wins. I'm feeling, yeah, you will have some sort of success in the month of July. So be happy, celebrate it. Okay, and I'm even getting, don't overshare. Okay, share to your friends, to your trusted family members, but don't overshare your ideas, your success, your wins. Maybe because there are people who might be jealous, and you're very sensitive people, so maybe there is a chance, so don't overshare anything. So that is very important. For some of you, I even feel like there is a person coming into your life. This person's hair will be like brown color, like I don't know, but I'm just getting that this person will make you laugh. And maybe this person is like younger than you. This is a very intuitive message and a very specific message. And yeah, this person is like, they'll make laugh. You will feel very nice with this person. Okay, that's interesting. For some of you, if you want to learn Reiki, go ahead and do that. Okay, yeah, if you want to take certain online classes, yeah, go ahead and do that. Or maybe you want to take certain healing classes, go ahead and do that. It will help you. If you work with god or goddesses, if you're doing some rituals, praying and all, keep on doing it, because it will work for you guys. Mantras are going to work for you guys. Okay, you can manifest using mantras. but there is a lot of relaxation, there is a lot of inner peace, there is a lot of calmful, peaceful, calm energy around you. Okay, very positive vibe I'm getting for you guys. So let's see next cards for the love area. We have the Lovers, and then we have forgiving and learning. Yeah, you're forgiving people. For some of you, you are forgiving people from your past. Okay, you're forgiving, you're learning, people are forgiving you. For some of you, I even feel like you might meet your soulmate. With this Lovers card, like meeting good friendship, making good friendship. So yeah, maybe for some of you, I told you, you might meet a person who's brown color, whose hair will be brown color. I just got that, that was a very specific message. So so you might meet this person, maybe this person will be your friend, or maybe this is a past person from your past, and you will be forgiving, and your relationship will, you will come back together. Maybe you lost touch, finally you're coming back together, speaking to them, talking to them, reunions I'm getting. Maybe you will be reuniting with your family, maybe you're reuniting with your sisters. Yeah, for some of you, it's like you're releasing your past, you're releasing the resentment, you're healing, right? For group 2 also we got that, like releasing things. And I feel like July is a month of like collectively you're releasing a lot of stuff, you're connecting with your inner self. Like we have Jupiter retrograde also, right? So maybe because of that, you're connecting with your inner self more, and releasing things that is not serving you, forgiving people, moving forward, and you have learned a lot of lessons, and you will not be repeating that mistakes anymore. Okay, you're becoming more kind, you're becoming more compassionate. That is also, I feel like. I'm sorry for the background. Okay, yeah, there is some work happening there. So yeah, as you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. Okay, so from this also I'm getting it's time to be in the present moment. Don't overthink about your future. Maybe for some of you it's like you have let go of your past, but there is a tendency to think more about your future because you want to plan things, you want to grow, you want to become successful. I feel like you want to get I'm getting this, you want to move ahead in your career or something like that, or maybe in your love life also for some of you. So I feel like you have released your past, but at the same time you sometimes you think more about your future, right? So it's important to stay in the present moment. Okay, future hasn't happened, nothing is yet in stone, you can create it. Okay, you can create whatever you desire to. Okay, so use positive affirmation, have positive thoughts. A lot of good friendships are going to happen. Maybe you will meet your friends after a long time, you will be like chatting, chilling with them. You will be talking about past things and forgiving and like clearing the energy, releasing a lot of stuff that is not good for you. Maybe for some of you, I feel like in the past people might have said something, like sometimes people insult us, right? And or maybe because of that you lost confidence or something like that. Maybe this person will come and ask forgiveness from you, you will be forgiving, and you're coming together. Childhood friends coming together. For some of you, a person from your past is coming, and this relationship will move forward. Yeah, I'm getting more of like family with this Lover card. I don't know why I'm getting like reunion with your families, reunion with your friends, forgiving them, learning together, enjoying things, that is what I feel. And making with this card, I feel like making choices, right? So you finally like making a choice to forgive them. Like, what is there to hold that resentment? It's better to forgive them, to talk to them, right? Maybe you haven't talked to these people for quite a long time. Now you're like, let it go, let's forgive and move forward. Yeah, we have learned our lessons, now it's time to move forward. Oh yeah, that's what I'm getting for you guys. Wow, for your career, finance and educations, we have the Sun and we have assessing. Okay, you know what you want to do in your career. I feel like that you have this bigger picture in the month of July. You know what ideas you should implement because you are meditating, you're getting a lot of creative ideas, you have a connection with the spirit, you're seeing things very very clearly. Okay, there is no confusion. For like, if you are learning something, if you are a student, you know what you need to learn, what portions you need to learn, how you need to do things, everything. If you are in this career field, if you are in a creative field, you know how to do things. And with the sun card, we have healing also. I told you, some parts of your childhood, you're healing some parts of your childhood, like, right? That is what is happening. You're releasing, maybe because of your childhood you lost your confidence in your adulthood. Now finally you're releasing that, you're connecting with your inner child, like a lot of happiness. You will be very happy about your career. I told you, some sort of wins you will have, like small wins, so you'll be very happy about it. You have a very bigger picture in the month of July. You know what you need to do. Like, I'm getting the Sagittarius vibes. You are going to research, you know what you need to do, you know what you need to learn. you're going to be very well planned. Okay, you're going to be very free. You will not take stress with you. In case of career, in case of this career area, you will be very free from stress. Even if you're learning things, even if you have a lot of things to learn, you will be very free. You will not be focusing on stress. Instead, you will be working how to make, how to learn your portions, or how to do things. You have a clear picture here. You're because you're seeing from above. You're connected with spirit, so you're seeing from above. You're seeing things very clearly. Okay, in the month of July. For some of you, I even feel like you will be connecting with your friends, and your friends will help you. Maybe you will be doing group study. Okay, that is also, I feel like online group study. Maybe you will get into this online class or something like that, and you will be connecting with them and talking and learning together, right? A lot of learning is happening here. Maybe for some of you, yeah, like, I'm getting like Zoom call for some of you. I don't know, like, learning something new, doing Zoom call. Maybe you are teaching something to other people. That is also possible. But definitely there is going to be a lot of happiness with the sun card, a lot of growth, renewal, new beginnings. I feel like celebrating some wins. Okay, you know what you want to do next, because look, 19 and 9 number, with 9 completion of a cycle. Like, you have researched, you have done a lot of things. Like, finally you will be seeing the results also. If you have an exam, if you have given an exam, if there is an exam in the month of July, I feel like that your exams will be very good. There is some sort of success definitely in the month of July for you guys in the area of career. Your finances looks good, your education everything will be good. Okay, with the sun card, because sun is the beautiful card. The most beautiful card and most lucky card, I feel like. So you, in this career area, you will be very lucky because you're healing. I feel the theme is about healing. Collectively, theme is about healing, forgiving, learning, moving forward. Okay, so your spiritual message, wow, look at this, Udasi. It's about your self-esteem. You're restoring your self-esteem. I feel like something related with your childhood. Maybe in your childhood, you were told that you are not going to be successful, or you are not worthy. Because of that, you had problems in your adult life. Finally, you're releasing that childhood things. You're completely healing your childhood. For some of you, your childhood trauma or something like that, you're healing that, you're forgiving, and you're moving forward, and you're restoring your self-esteem, you're restoring your confidence, you're moving forward courageously, and you are going to be very magnetic. Look, we have this, and I told you, with mantras you can attract anything, and you got Sadasi with the spiritual message. I'm getting that you are going to attract lot of things that you're manifesting right now. If you're manifesting certain things, you will attract that, because you are in this you're a magnet right now. So if you're having, I don't feel like you're going to have negative thoughts. If even if you're having this negative thoughts, you will transform it to the positive thoughts. That is what I feel. For group number 3, I really feel you're going to be very positive in the month of July. You know what you want, and you're going to do it. Okay, like, sometimes we know I have to do this, and I know the way to do it, and you're going to be like that. You know who you need to talk to, who you need to vibe with, what kind of friends you want, what subject you want to do, what kind of paintings you want to make, what kind of topics you need to learn. You know everything, right? You know what you want right now, you know who you are right now, I feel like, because you're releasing so much stuff from the past, okay? And you are a magnet right now, and you can attract whatever you want to attract, okay? So just an advice here is, like, if you are having negative thoughts, don't transform it to positive thoughts. Yeah, it's okay, sometimes we have that and it's okay, but don't put too much focus on that. If you are having some negative thoughts, try to change your focus, do something that you love. Like, if one day you're stressing too much about your work or something like that, just play meditation music, light a candle, and do something that you love, okay? Or maybe take a break from work at that time. But really, July looks good for you guys. Maybe for some of you, I even feel like you might receive some gifts also from your friends, okay? That is also, I feel like, maybe some unexpected gift, and it will make you happy. Okay, so it's a month of healing, it's a month of crossing the bridge. It's a month of forgiving, learning a lot of things, seeing the bigger picture, not judging other people. I feel like you're not going to judge yourself also. Maybe in the past you used to judge yourself, used to compare yourself. You're not going to do that anymore. You're going to be very confident, and people will see that, okay, that yeah, this person has changed, this person has become so confident. People will see that, people will appreciate you for that. That is what I feel. And look, we have selenite, and you're protected, your divine is with you. Okay, remember that. White light energy, green light meditation, white light meditation, if it's possible, do that. Archangel Michael presence is strong for you guys. Your stability, you're going to be stable, you're going to be secure in the month of July. You'll be feeling very secure, you'll be protected, okay? If something doesn't happen the way you want, at that time, remember that spirit has a plan for you guys, okay? Because there is something good. Sometimes we don't look at that bigger picture. You have bigger picture, you know things, but universe has a bigger picture than you, right? So if things doesn't go your way, don't feel disappointed, because spirit knows well what is good for you guys, okay? And your manifestations are coming true, guys. If you have been manifesting last August, if you have manifested something, I don't know, that was like a specific message, because we have 2 plus 6, 26. Maybe 26 number might be very important for you guys. Maybe 26 July is important for you guys, or number 8 is going to be important for you guys. The dates, important dates I'm getting here, okay? So yeah, red color is all about your passion, moving forward. You will have the energy, right? And we have the red color here also. So yeah, red and yellow, like I feel your chakras, if you're trying to balance your chakras, it's going to happen, okay? And with this lotus, you're taking your spirituality very seriously, you're taking meditation very seriously, you're taking your rituals, praying to God very seriously. Yeah, that's it for group number 3. Bye bye, take care.